Jiva Netra Vidyalaya, which is run under His Holiness Sri 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 Tridandi Sriman Narayan Ramanuja Chinnajiyar Swamiji. There are so many schools for the blind, but the schools and institutions here, they are something different and unique from the other institutions. Sri 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 Chinnajiyar Swamiji thought that the students must not depend on the scribe for examination and study and other things. He thought the innovative idea and introduced a new system of teaching the children through laptops. Total instruction will be given to the students through the computers, the JAS package, which will read the text for the students. It's first of its kind in the world. The students are able to grasp and take the notes. And for your information, we are thankful to Government of Andhra Pradesh Board of Intermediate for allowing the students or permitting the students to write the examinations through laptops. And I would like to inform the audience that we are successful in getting 100% results as far as the Netra Vidyalaya is concerned. Let us all give them the big hand. And really, we appreciate the efforts put in by the teachers, junior lecturers and degree college lecturers. So much of effort they have put in to impart the education. It is not easy. Sometimes in statistics, our commerce teachers are telling, difficult to tell them the symbols. They have to go to the special drive and take it. Really, the teachers have worked very hard. We also take this opportunity to thank Usman University authorities for affiliation for both BCom Computers and BA General we have. And the results in first and second year is very good. In final year, we are going to have the good results. Recently, some voluntary organizations, some of the philanthropists have come from United States and other parts of the country. They are trying to identify the requirements of the industry, wherein these blind students and Netra Vidyalaya students will fit in. And I would like to inform the gathering, August gathering, that really they were surprised to see the knowledge, commendable knowledge the students have exhibited when they have asked them certain questions about what they have learned, what is their career, how, where they want to go and how they want to settle down. And I would like to inform very happily that their levels, their career goals are much, much higher and superior. They are very confident that they will be able to achieve those goals. Most of them wanted to do their MBA, MCA, and some of them want to go for the professional courses like CA, ICWA and other things, and some of them want to go for the jobs in the software and other good institutions and the industries, and they are also planning to import certain soft skills and job skills for the free hirers at the free of cost. And one person has come forward, Mr. Ravi from America. He has a software company in Bangalore. He said he would like to take some of the students for the internship for 1 week and 10 days. And they will also design some modules and add-on courses for these students to excel themselves. And they said they are second to none. They are much, much superior than the ordinary and the regular students where they are not able to grasp so much. Thanks children, really you have put in a very good picture in front of the outsiders. And all these students they have come from the regional media. They were not able to talk in English. But now you talk to any student, they are fluent in English, they have learned the grammar, they have learned the computers. They have also, though they are blind, it is not the Braille, it's the normal computer through the JAS packages. They are doing it. Really, it's a wonderful opportunity which is created by our Swamiji with this intention. It's really successful and we are getting laurels from many parts of the country. Recently, our students also have gone for the National Association for the Blinds. They have got 6 gold medals and 17 states have participated, 70 schools have participated. Among all the 70 schools, it is rated as the best school in India. The blind school in Vijayanagaram is rated as the best school in India. And they have got, sir, 6 gold medals, 2 silver medals and 1 bronze medal for the thing. And overall performance also is the best school and best athletic. In all the programs they have got the best award. The credit goes to His Holiness. With these blessings we are running it, and more so the teachers, particularly baby Aruna Verma and others who are putting lot of effort in Vijayanagaram. Really we appreciate them for the cause for which they are working. There are so many persons and organization philanthropists who are coming forward to help and support these students. Really wonderful. Apart from this, under G.R. Swami's trust, we are also running the tribal schools in interior area of Adilabad district in Utnur Mandal, 2 schools. Totally, sorry, I forgotten to tell you, the blind school, it is total free education, sir. Not even 1 rupee is charged to the students. It is totally free education, irrespective of the caste, creed, religion and anything. Any student can come. We request the audience, if you have come across any such persons, needy persons, blind, partially or fully, please send them to us. We will give you a finished product who will settle in their life in a better manner. This is an appeal, or this is the information we would like to extend to you. Next is the tribal school. Only for tribals in interior area. We have 2 schools in Adilabad district, 1 in Katarivaripalem for the fishermen children who are affected with the tsunami some time back. There also we are running day come residential, that is also fully, some students are residential, some are day scholars, some are also mixed, we have it, and results are 100%, and most of them have got the A grades in 10th class examination last year and this year. We all will appreciate those Alampalli students who got the A ranks. Let them give a very big hand. And we have Jiva Gurukulam, world class technology and the facilities have been created for them, and Uve Vedanta Pandit Sriman Dr. Samudrala Rangaramanujacharya Swamivaru, under his guidance this Jiva Gurukulam is going on. They are not only being imparted the Vedic education, apart from Vedic, they are also given English language, communication skills, computer skills. When they get the age of 15 years, they will be appearing class 10 and they will go for intermediate, and after that they can choose either the Vedic field or the general field to do their degree and also settle down in their life. And they are very good in not only Vedic studies but also in computers and English I have mentioned, sports and cultural activities, and they are following all our acharas and sanskruti and sanskaras. Really they are the persons who are going to the future of our country. Because of Swamiji and our Rangaramanujacharya and so many other research scholars, they are trying their best to protect our value system, and we are imparting this education. And Swamiji's idea, with the support of Sriman Rangaramanujacharya Swamivaru, to make it as the Vedic Research Center, the best research center in the world. Any person who wants to do the research, they should come. They are trying to procure as many books as possible, as many research articles as possible, as many as documents or Vedic documents are concerned. Even Talapatra Granthas also, we are trying to collect and also protect them, and they are going to digitalize it. We have a very good library. Those who are interested in that Vedic field, you are most welcome to visit our library, which nowhere you find so much of what you call the Vedic literature and Puranas, Itihasas and others. We have a best of the best library in the world, and still we are trying to procure, add some more knowledge to our library and also for the research in this area, and so many scholars are also working on this. And then we also have some services like health and education. These are the 2 other services which Swamiji's trust is doing on. And with the help of some of the hospitals like Karimnagar Chalmara Anandarao College and others, we are trying to go into the rural areas to help the rural women to identify the cancer that they are suffering. Most of the persons are suffering with the cancer. So to eradicate this cancer, to prevent, Swamiji's Trust is creating awareness to the rural folk, and almost within short time 7 districts are going to be covered. Free treatment, free diagnosis, if required free operation also. The most important objective of this is creating awareness among the women to survive in the long run and to avoid this cancer. We are trying to educate them. These are the little bit some of the few activities which have been undertaken by Swamiji, apart from the spiritual and other things where we have a Divya Saketam, and in various places Swamiji's Mat is also there. We will be providing all these facilities to needy persons in the field in which they are interested. With these few words, I once again welcome our chief guest is just arriving. Within 2-3 minutes we will be starting our main program, because Jana Reddy Garu, Maheta Reddy Garu, our Chaudhary Dayakar Rao Garu, our local MLA Mr. Prakash Gaud Garu, already they have arrived for a long time. They have been enjoying the performance rendered by our children. I hope you all enjoyed the cultural activities. A normal person giving a cultural program is a common thing, but blind students, visually challenged students performing or giving so much of what you call these cultural activities, amazing. Really we should appreciate. Though they have tried their best, still there is a scope for improvement. We need your blessings for the children to make the improvement. Year by year they are making the improvements. Let us all give a big hand for those students who have participated in the cultural activities. I take this opportunity to Chief Minister and other officials, they are accompanying him. They are just at the main entry. Within just 2 minutes they will be entering. The collector, Mrs. Vani Prasad is accompanying. SP and other police officials are also there. We welcome all the persons. We also welcome the media. We are also waiting for a long time for covering. Particularly the Bhakti channel, Mr. Chaudhary also is very much present here, is trying. I welcome one and all. Thank you one and all. I'm sorry I have not introduced. I am Professor Purushottam Rao. I am a Professor of Commerce, Usman University. I am the devotee of Swamiji. I will be participating in all the academic activities of Swamiji. Srimati Krishna Kumari from Kendriya Vidyalaya, along with me, she will be also participating in conducting the programs. I welcome you one and all. Thank you one and all. Let us all welcome our Chief Minister, Nallari Kiran Kumar Reddy Garu, the chief guest of this function, who have just now inaugurated the physics lab, chemistry lab and the computer lab. Sir, welcome sir. Mr. Kiran Kumar Reddy, the Chief Minister of Government of Andhra Pradesh, have arrived and he is trying to interact or meet the children, say hello to our Jiva Gurukulam students. Then he will be proceeding towards the Netra Vidyalaya blind students, and just he will come on to the days and we are going to have the program. request all of you to welcome our Chief Minister with a applause. Please welcome Mr. Chief Minister. His Holiness Sri Tridandi Srimanarayana Ramanujaya Chinnajiyar Swami is also there. We welcome Swamiji to participate in this program, and under whose direction we have been doing all these programs. Now the Chief Minister is meeting the blind children who are visually challenged, but they have the worth and the talent to show to the world. As I mentioned, they are second to none, and is just interacting with the students. The other dignitaries along with the Chief Minister, Sriman Uttam Kumar Reddy and other MLAs, I welcome them to this meeting. Sriman Gaddam Prasad Kumar, the Minister for Textile and Jute, has also come. Welcome. Sir Rangareddy MLC also has come. We welcome Sir Rangareddy, Dayakarava and others. Dr. Rameshwara also has joined in interacting with the blind students by our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Kiran Kumar Reddy. We request all the audience to take their seats, please. Except the students, others, please take your seats. All of you, please, you are requested to be seated. Sriman Sridhar Babu Garu is also come. Sir, we welcome you, sir. Please take your seat.
జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. మన ముఖ్య అతిథులు శ్రీమాన్ కిరణ్ కుమార్ గారు తమ నవ్వుల కిరణాలతో చిన్నారులను చక్కగా పలకరిస్తున్నారు. ఈ రాష్ట్రానికి వారు ముఖ్యమంత్రి అయినా చిన్నపిల్లలతో వారు కలుస్తున్న రీతిని చూసి చాలా ఆనందం కలుగుతున్నది. పిల్లలు భావి భారత పౌరులు. సదా వారిని ప్రోత్సహించటం మనందరి కర్తవ్యం. ఆ చిన్నారులచే ఇంతకు ముందు నుంచే చాలా చక్కటి కార్యక్రమాలను మనం చూసి ఉన్నాము. ఇప్పుడు మన నేత్ర విద్యాలయం స్టూడెంట్స్చే ఒక సామూహిక గీతము, తల్లి తండ్రి గురువులు కనిపించే దైవాలు అనే భావాన్ని వ్యక్తం చేస్తూ దుర్గా, అప్పాయమ్మ, ఆశ, భవానీ, వెంకటలక్ష్మి రమ్మెలచే దేశభక్తి గీతం వింటారు.
జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. ధీంత ధిరనన ధీంత ధిరనన ధీంత ధిరనన నాదిర్దితో ధీంత ధిరనన ధీంత ధిరనన ధీంత ధిరనన నాదిర్దితో 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 నాదిర్దితో. తల్లి తండ్రి గురువులు కనిపించే